In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Forsaken hit sound ID. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can freely change the hit sound for Forsaken. This is going to work on any platform. All that you have to do is join, go into the settings, and in here you will find a bunch of options. Keep scrolling down until you find this, hit sounds enabled. First, make sure that hit sounds are enabled to begin with. If they aren't enabled, you won't be able to change the ID. Once you have them enabled, you will see this field. In here, you can type out the ID for your new hit sound. You can reset it to the default one by clicking on this icon at the left, and as you can see, the default one is this, starting with a 9. So now you can go ahead and grab any custom hit sound. I am using this website for this video, Roblox Song, but you can find them on all sorts of places. Usually people will make videos that are compilations of different hit sounds, and you can use those videos, browse through the comments, whatever you prefer. So I'm going to copy this one, the Nintendo Switch click sound. So you copy the Roblox ID, you go back inside of the game and you paste it here. So you remove the default one and you paste the new code that you copied. It should be only the code like this, and once it is in here, you are good to go. You can now close down the settings and the new hit sound will play. Sadly, I don't have any method of demonstrating this because I'm not recording with audio at the moment, but as long as you properly set up the hit sound through these settings, you don't have to do anything else. Just go into a match, and whenever a hit connects, you will be able to hear the sound referring to this ID, and you can change it as many times as you wish. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.